Hello everyone, this video we will look at how to install Mosquitto broke on Home Assistant. Because we're running the Raspberry Pi, we need to install the MQTT broke on the Raspberry Pi so that the x86 server will integrate all this output and all this input to the Home Assistant. So let's look at the first, the MQTT structure. I think you need to know some basic of the MQTT. This is yellow is the MQTT server. This is server and this is client. So this is the CS structure. And usually we have called the server, server. But in MQTT we usually call it the broke. The broke almost as same as the server. We just call it the broke. So there are many MQTT client 1, 2, 3, and X, many. You can connect to one MQTT broke, just MQTT server. And in our this demo solution, you can see here is the diagram. This is Mosquitto broke installed on the CM4, the Raspberry Pi 4, inside of this box. And this is the Home Assistant is a client. The Home Assistant, maybe you are using your computer and your mobile phone, like this mobile phone. This also is a client. My computer is a client. And the Home Assistant system is client, is installed on the Raspberry Pi. And also the x86 server, the hardware is a client. And if in future we will integrate this A16 board, integrate to the Home Assistant. Also this is a client. So this is MQTT client, this is MQTT client, and this is MQTT client. And my computer also is MQTT client. So that all have connect with this broke. Now the step 2, we need to install the MQTT broke on the Home Assistant. Because the Mosquitto is widely used in Home Assistant. So now we will look at how to install it. And we can open this web browser of your Home Assistant. Last video we have installed the Home Assistant system. And we just go to configuration and go to the add-on, this add-on. And the add-on store. Click this one, and this is listed, and you will find Mosquitto is listed at here. Also, you can input Mosquitto, so that will list only Mosquitto. Just click, and we click the install. Just install online. And after we install it, we just need to configuration for the username and the password. So the username and the password just replace by yourself. And we can wait for a moment when this install is complete. Okay, this install is complete. Not click this start because we need to configuration firstly. And this login is empty, no anything. So I just copy this username and the password and copy and paste to the Home Assistant Mosquitto configuration. And paste just like this. The username MQTT and the password 123 just for demo, easy to remember this. And we can click save. And now you can click this info and click start. We need to running the Mosquitto broke. Okay, now it's running. And now we can go to this web page, and you can see this MQTT communication module. So this is the broke, this is a server, this is a client. Maybe is your mobile phone or maybe is your relay board. So that needs to send the message to the server and receive the message from the server. So we'll have two topics. This one is A topic, this is B topic. So this client sends the message to A topic and receive message from the B topic. So in next video, I will explain how to use the topic and how to set the topic and what's different. Now, just I will tell you the client will have two topics for send message and receive message. So after you understand this one and install complete the Mosquitto, then we can use the MQTT test communication test function. By the Mosquitto, you just go to this configuration device and config. So we can go to this way and the configuration and device, and you will find the MQTT. So we can click config, and this is the first time, so you can submit, and this is successfully. Now Home Assistant is connected to this block, so we can click, and you can see this configuration block port username and the password is you can change by yourself. MQTT 123, and the block. You can see what's the IP address of your Raspberry Pi. You can go to your load and see what's the Home Assistant IP address. So this is my IP address. I can import and click next. And this just default and not needed to change, and submit. And option save. Okay, let's test it. Such as this is a topic to listening, and this is publish a topic to this one. So if you want to create a topic ABC, click start listening, and you can send the message to ABC, and I can send the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you can see I publish, and this is received successfully. That is, from this topic you can receive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I set the topic to ABCD and this is ABC, so I can press publish, and this is nothing, and nothing received. So the MQTT, you can only send to the topic just you want. So I can send to change to the ABC, and I can send to 7, 8. So click publish. So that will be received. So this is MQTT structure. You can send the message to topic, and because we send to this message to this topic, maybe we have many clients needed to this topic, and usually we have user relay board. So this is a relay board, and maybe this have a mobile phone or maybe have a PC software. So this topic is a relay state. So if I turn on the relay and this topic is changed, and every client can receive the message from the topic B, that is state. So if you can turn on the relay 1, and every other client, maybe mobile phone A, mobile phone B, will update the switch state from this topic. So that is MQTT communication. In next video, we will use this KC86 server and integrate to the MQTT to Home Assistant. So you will understand easily and how to work with MQTT from the output and the input. Okay, thanks for watching.